Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by assembling ingredients and prepping quickly. Measure 2 cups cooked black or pinto beans and mash them with 1 cup salsa and 1/4 teaspoon salt until spreadable. Chop 1 small onion to equal about 1/2 cup and heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet to soften the onion for 3 to 5 minutes. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F, while you warm 8 corn or flour tortillas briefly in the skillet or microwave so they roll without cracking, and shred 1 cup cheese. Spoon about 1/4 cup of the mashed bean mixture into the center of each warm tortilla, add a tablespoon of chopped cilantro if desired, and roll snugly. Place each enchilada seam side down in a greased 9x13 baking dish, compacting them slightly. Spread the remaining 1 cup salsa evenly over the top. Sprinkle 1 cup shredded cheese across the pan, and bake at 375 degrees F for 20 minutes. Bake until cheese melts and edges brown lightly. Then rest the dish for 5 minutes before serving to set the filling. You can vary filling with cooked shredded chicken, 1 cup cooked sweet potato, or crumbled queso fresco for different textures and flavors. To store leftovers, cool the tray fully, cover tightly with foil and plastic, and freeze for up to 3 months. For refrigerated storage, use an airtight container for up to 4 days. Reheat frozen or chilled enchiladas at 350 degrees F for 25 to 30 minutes covered with foil until hot through. Serve each portion with 1/4 cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and a lime wedge.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.